Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Good morning, class.
Define what an annulate is and describe its characteristics. Explain the classification of annulates based on their structure and function. Understand the importance of annulates in the. So what is annulita? Bilang annulita includes segmented worms. So kalate mo sa mga worms nila na relate without ilang segments. These animals are found in marine, terrestrial, and freshwater habitats. The name of the phylum is derived from the Latin word annulus, which means a small pig. Characteristics of annulida. They have long and segmented body. So segments is related with the structure. Then we have same po din sa similar sa organ system ng structure. Annelids are bilateralization. Their specialized segmentation refers to as metabolism. So ang metabolism is kind it helps to for the function. They are triplastic. So they are triplastic because naalis dahil three germ layers during the development o ano yung siguan. Ectoderm, mesoderm, o say endoderm. So annelids are sometimes called usual worms. So ang mga annelids kaya naman sila mga bukok bitaw, bukok na kay ano yung mga tabang sa break bitaw para mga annelids contain body wall, so body wall to the outer protective without volume is the fluid. When the fluid nga sa ilang internal structure nga para ang isang mga internal structure. Then ang cuticle mo ni additional protection. Annelids are invertebrates, means they have lacks or lactose. Most of the annelids are hermaphrodite, means na sila both na female and male, then naman sila both sperms and eggs. So kaning hermaphrodite kay kailangan ko ni Oguan ka ng another na worms dito para exchange mo sila o sperms for the fertilization. So, kanin mga analyst ka. Aga nang kabantin dito mo sa mga earthworms nga. Nakita sila kanang worms dito nga. Nakita yung murag na-sperm dito. Pagkakapal. Kung ano yung silbing kanang mag-meet na ang kanin ka kanin. Yung silbing mag-meet ang mga worms para kanang exchange sila ang sperms. Then gani, mura kita sila kung sila kukun, mura kita khas na luto nga. Para kanang mura nila kuan to sperm then infertilize nila then kanang katong lundo mo silbing protected without if So, ano na tayo classified into 3, the polychaeta, polygogan, So, class polychaeta, marine worms found in marine environments. So, there's a group ng So, body segments there para po diya So, ang mga marine worms kaya kanang daghan ka doon na sila ang mga buko. Sa kanang sila observing. Gusto mga tagas na sila. Well-developed head with sensory organs. So, ang mga kanang marine worms na sila yung mga well-developed without mga eyes, na physical antenna, then parang itself sila parang divide ito sa mga meaning sitting. So sitting means kanang parang the results nanang kita sa kanang parang siya. Divided formally into 2 groups, Dyrantia or free-moving forms and Sedentaria or free-dwelling forms. So, ang Dyrantia kanang they tend to have well-developed sense of organs and kanang goals. Para it helps nga makuha sila mga pagkaon. Then, ang Sedentaria, muna sila nasa yung mga specialized gills used for respiration or filter breathing. Example, rockworms, lugworms, bloodworms, seeds. Ano sila? Mga dagas nila sila, mga What example sa Sedentaria? Classification the second is the class Polygochaeta or vertebrates. So, ano sila mga common nga name means longer. So, kanang mga like earthworms na sila yung mga gagmay na mga bukog. Hindi na ito makita na ito yung mga gagmay na bukog. So, the body is segmented numerically. Used to take per body segments. So more is really connected to terrestrial and freshwater organism. No head or parapodia but the volume is the same. So, immature of these earthworms. Di ba, hindi mo kayo asan may ka ng So, if anong split yung bitaw, di ba? Naman na sila sa di ba na sila tunga? Naman sila nang tumitungoy natin. So, if asa ang doon sa split yung ano eh, basihan asa. Hermaphroditic. Ano means na, and produce eggs. Sample earthworms. So plants or what we call mostly freshwater, some marine and wetland. So kaning mga leches kay practice ng blood sucker ng kuan ba sila. Kaya ka ng carnivores na yung mga kanang leches na cheese. So kanang leches nila kay kanang tinawagin sila mga medicine bitaw ng mga nilits kay if mo kanang susok sila gagawin daw sa part na mga appetite pwede na area. Pero sila dito the animals are monogamous means they are non-traditional. Reptilium was present. Same as sa earthworms. Then hermaphroditical on fertilization is internal. The organism lives cocoons. What about the earthworms?
Anaerobic reproduction. So first is polygate anaerobic species can reproduce both sexually and asexually, while leeches can only reproduce sexually. So polygate anaerobic kato earthworms and marine worms. So they can reproduce sexually or asexually. And then sa leeches is sexually. Next, asexual reproduction may occur budding or emission. So budding, we have ganang to explain sila sa report of mga sponges na may mother na species na sila nag-uubos na then ang fission, so ang fission is we have parent cell. Whole mga parent cell, then split na sila ito making mga cell. So yan na ang fission. Next, sexual reproduction varies by species, typically engaged in cross fertilization where two organisms being hermaphrodites exchange sperm with each other, then deposit fertilized eggs in a mucus secreted by a specialized body region called the epithelium. So, usually in one niya ng sa mga earthworms, so earthworms and paano ito ng sa earthworms, kaya nang sila epithelium na naman itong explain is paano niya natin magka-apart. So, paano niya po siya, ang earthworms is sexual sila, duha ka worm, magtagbog yun silang anak. Tapos, atong epithelium nila duha magtagbog. Then, mag-exchange na sila sperm eggs, and then ang ilahang epithelium, maotoy, kanang gamao po po para ato nila ibutang ilang sa teles. So nga na ang function. Example. May nga ba? Ay hindi mo patuloy para sa lang. May nga na ang sexual na po sila pero they won't have sperm by exchange. The ecology of annelids. Annelids live in a diversity of freshwater, marine, and terrestrial habitats. They vary in what they feed on and how they obtain their food. So earthworms are deposit feeders. They burrow through the ground, eating soil and extracting organic matter from it. Earthworm species called worm cast are very rich in plant flakes. So, nang sila pag-ilimit talay nga pag-uwing ni bote sa kwan kaya nagpunta ng garden kung sa mga so, nga na ang sa earthworms kay worm sila ka ng mag-process sila sa ng mag-count sila yung ta, then nag-split because of okay, Leeches are either predators or parasites. As predators, they can capture and eat other invertebrates. And as parasites, they feed off the blood of vertebrate hosts. They have a tubular organ called a proboscis for eating. So, leeches, kanagawan sa ligya ng umilit, kapag may wala, inganas niya. So, usually maganda sa salida ay masuksok na magtubo. So, paano po din? As predators po, they capture and eat other invertebrates. Yung mga gagmay lang ako. Murag, what if ikaw one time sa Facebook account sila what if ng mga leeches. Pero ka na ako kung makakaya nila sa So, that's leeches. Polychaetes live on the ocean floor. They may be sedentary filter feeders, active predators, or scavengers. Polychaetes, marine worms, example ano is, ewan ng mga tagalala ko ito, kalikman, kung tayo mana, nang ipahon sa kwan. Mga kwan nila niya ng gusto ko ng ito ba yung masaya example sa Polychaetes. So, sedentary filter feeders, ano sila sa mga bus, mga sand nga area, and active predators mode. So, they eat karang nagpapod nga mga stations, or scavengers, mga patay po nga mga isda. Usually, karang mga mananagat sa kaya buhay mo sila patay nga isda eh, alam nila sa basketball, so tayo marang sa Facebook, then mag-gawag mga ipalipan. Size and range diversity of structures. The length of annelids varies from a fraction of an inch to more than 6 meters, about 20 feet. The width may exceed 2.5 centimeters, about 1 inch in the contracted states. So, the fraction of an inch more than 6 meters, about 20 feet. Ang inalakaan nga size dun sa mga animals katong ito may giant redbirds. Sa Australia, mas ito, sila ko yung mahadlok na Three moving polychaetes and earthworms include the largest species of polychaetes and earthworms, which is attain lengths about 0.4 meters in the contracted state. So, as annelids nga, ang ginagagmayan nila nga pa is leeches. Locomotion of
annelids. Earthworms use a wave-like motion called peristalsis to move in the soil. Muscles of their body contract and relax, pushing the polychaete forward. They also have tiny bristles called setae that help move the soil. So, balik tumulukan na sila, ilang stage ng body, tas ang unahan nila ng part is why i-grab nila sa soil niya. I-grab nila itong the rest of the parts of the body para mag-cover sila. Polychaetes are marine worms compared to called Barracuda, the largest for swimming, crawling, and burrowing. They also have sticky for shell. Leeches move by using their suckers. They attach the surface to their sucker and use their muscles to stretch and contract their bodies, pulling themselves forward. So, same with muscles nila sa earthworms na mawakya ang ulahang kuan move neural structure. The digestive system of annelids shows a lot of variation depending on the eating habits of the species. Annelids have a closed circulatory system. In a closed circulatory system, blood is always contained within blood vessels. Annelid excretory system is made up of long tubular organs called mesothea. Polychaetes are marine worms who live from 1 to 3 years depending on class and species. Oligochaetes and earthworms live 10 years. Leeches have shorter lifespan, some species producing only once in their life. So, ang pinakamuha na lifespan kaya ang leeches ay importance of annelids. Earthworms are essential for soil irrigation and plants to grow in the soil. So the earthworms makataon siya sa mga panahon. Leeches are used to stimulate to help promote blood flow to areas. They make good bait for fishing, helps oxidize matter, source of food to birds, mammals, and other invertebrates, helps plankton by increase stabilize the waves.
Questions?
Ay nakipautan na kanang galihog na panibuan. Kanang based on the PPT, what do you mean by the body segmented vitamins?
Parang the body is sa earthworms, they are divided into segments itaw, then developmentally, and they arrange with the structure of the segment. Kaya kung i-arrange with the segments like that, then i-arrange with the
Other questions?
What are the kanang differences between the bowling games o kanang bowling games ito? Kanang what are the kanang
Major differences dun sa ulitan tayo dito kay Thais. We have the parang location where nasa sila mo inhabit. So, ulitan ta, marine worms, sa potable marine, and ulitan kay tart worms usually on land, and nakapituban nga na sa freshwater. And we have this Philippine chest base. Freshwater siya kasagaran. Freshwater ang mga lichis dito. So, that's sana sa mga picture na differences. And hindi fun. Kung kay ta, we have na naka-forma, na nato kayo mga episode there. And sa works, they have, but karang dili siya visit sa and liches mo, itong last slide, ito, may percent yun, yung words yung mga dito, mga sisters na. So, that's the difference.
kanang what is the ecological role of the polychaeta sa kanang mga animals?
So, polychaeta, major na ecological importance niya is they are filter feeders, so they filter the sand or asal sila. So, kanang circulate ang kanang nutrients, and also kanang they eat kanang lead, mga marine organisms. So, ano sila kanang mura ko sila decomposers. Bukan ang polychaeta ni Polychaeta is kanang they are sexual or asexual. So bukan kanang sa ang nakalain-lain ay ang usual kasi may similar sa Polychaeta ni Polychaeta kay bukan sila usually they are hermaphrodites. Pero sa Hirulinia, bukan siya ng sexual siya. That's our report to everyone.
So, meron po sa crustaceans, sanggala. Isa yung order sa crustaceans.